Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I want to let you in on one of my favorite beauty tools, which is this amazing tint by Tula.
This is TULA Skin Tint and Brightening Serum, and it has SPF 30 protection. I have it here in shade 12, which you can see is a nice medium with warm undertones. So as I blend this into my skin, I find that it is the perfect shade for me, especially in summertime. And it's just so nice and light. I have really oily skin, so I appreciate that this does not feel heavy. It does not feel greasy. It's giving me that protection from the sun, and it's also just like a nice little layer of like a little something. When I don't want to wear foundation that day, I feel really confident just putting this on and I'm good to go.
This is an absolute must-have, a go-to for me when I am doing my skin routine, whether I'm wearing makeup or if I'm just going natural that day. I love using this and I highly recommend checking it out. And that's just my point of view.